Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth earbuds to your Xbox One. It's important to know that Xbox consoles do not natively support Bluetooth audio for earbuds. This means you cannot directly pair your Bluetooth earbuds to the console itself. To get audio from your Xbox to your earbuds, you'll need to use an alternative method, typically involving an adapter or a different type of headset designed for the console. One common workaround involves using a Bluetooth audio transmitter. You'll need to purchase a transmitter that plugs into the 3.5mm headset jack on your Xbox One controller. Once plugged in, you can then pair your Bluetooth earbuds directly to this transmitter. Remember to ensure the transmitter is fully charged and compatible with your specific earbuds for the best audio experience during your gaming sessions. A more integrated and often superior solution is to use an official Xbox wireless headset. These headsets are specifically designed to connect directly to your Xbox console using its proprietary wireless protocol, not Bluetooth. This provides a seamless, low-latency audio experience with full chat functionality, without the need for any additional adapters. There are many excellent models available, offering various features and comfort levels. When using a Bluetooth transmitter, be aware that some models might introduce a slight audio delay, which could impact your gaming. If you plan to use voice chat, ensure your chosen transmitter explicitly supports microphone input. Always read product reviews to confirm compatibility and performance before purchasing. Ultimately, for the most reliable and hassle-free experience, official Xbox wireless accessories are generally the recommended choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.